So I had a super exciting weekend, CJ.
As you do.
I was in QVC.
You were in it?
On it. On all of them.
With.
All the prepositions.
All those things.
I was there. It was fun. And something they kept talking about was weeknight meals, fun weeknight meals, things you can do in a pinch, things that are like shortcuts, but fun and delicious. And I got a chance to play around with a ton of food. They're fantastic over there, by the way. Oh, also, it's National Griddle Week.
It is that, my friend.
It is National Griddle Week. If you're not following us on all of our social media platforms, be sure to do that. There's giveaways, there's all kinds of fun stuff. But in this episode, I want to show you a quick Wednesday weeknight
Why
hack.
Wednesday?
It could be Tuesday.
Okay.
Could be Thursday.
Why not Thursday?
It's a teriyaki pork taco. Unbelievable. So easy. Let me show you how to do it. The first thing we're going to do is get to our pork. Now, I say this a lot, playing with your food is so much fun. When you get a piece of meat at the grocery store, it doesn't mean that's the only way you have to cook it. You can process it. You can do a little bit extra. So I'm going to do like a nice thin little julienne on these thin cut pork loins. We're taking it to a new level. I want it to be bite-sized for a taco. And don't get rid of the fat. There's going to be some nice, delicious little fatty flavors in there.
So it's called a julienne even with meat when it's not veggies or fruits?
Yeah, obviously.
Oh, okay.
Ask her.
Okay.
I also want to add a bit of sweet onion. I only need half. Like I don't want a ton of onion here, but I do want some of that beautiful flavor mixed in with the pork. So a julienne on the onion as well. Now this is very, very easy. Like this is not difficult. Any of you can do this part. Oil, a little bit of olive oil or any kind of oil that you like, and then a bit of sesame oil. Remember to go sparingly on your sesame oil. It is intense. Add all of that pork and the onions, a bit of salt and pepper, and that's all you need for a little while. I've got my griddle like medium high heat. We do want some of that searing power. So toss it every 60 to 90 seconds until the pork is fully cooked. Now, while that's cooking, let's get to one of our condiments. Super quick, easy hack. CJ does this all the time. I do this all the time. I approve of this message. Pre-made slaw in a bowl. Bob's your uncle. Yep. Super easy.
You're welcome.
Now, adding the rice vinegar, adding the ponzu, and a bit of sesame oil is where we change this from just store-bought, plain Jane boring into something really spectacular. The little bit of acidity is going to add a ton of flavor to the savory pork. I'm going to finish that with a bit of sesame seeds, give it a toss, and that's it. That's done, simple, easy. If you've never seen it, an Asian pear is fantastic. I want to cut these really thin, like a thin little, almost like we can fan them out. Asian pear is a lot like a traditional pear, but it's got a different texture, a different kind of sweetness, and I thought it fitting.
It's very apple-ish as well.
Fitting to go with the teriyaki, which is the next thing to go on our pork. But before that, I do want to toast some flour tortillas. I've got the smaller ones. I want to fit them into my little taco holder, CJ. I want it to be a fun Wednesday.
It's Taco Tuesday.
Or it's right in front of me the whole time. Wrong show. Go watch CJ's show for all those shenanigans. Very light toast. Flip them once, that's all you need. You just want to warm them up. Let's pull them off of the griddle. Give that pork another toss. Now, something else you can add, if you want to, is a beautiful little garnish of hot jalapeno pepper or chilies. Skip this part if you don't like it. I like the heat, that is my jam. Skip it, but I like it, I want it. Now the last thing we need to do for our pork is just a bit of teriyaki sauce. Again, this is quick, this is easy, this is like a weekend hack. A bit of your favorite teriyaki sauce over the top, give it a mix. This needs 30 seconds, 60 seconds tops, because the sugar in that teriyaki sauce will burn on your pork. Now put that into a bowl, reserve it on the side. It's time to build. I like to go with pork down first. You can see how glazy. So glazy, that's a word, right, CJ?
You gotta love the glaze,
glazy and beautiful. A little bit of those onions peek through in there. Now we're gonna add some of that slaw. Now if you want to, use your tongs to kind of squeeze out a bit of the liquid if you don't want your tortilla to get too soggy. And don't overfill it. We don't want to overpower the pork. The flavors in there are delicious, but they will overpower the pork. Over the power of the pork. Now we're gonna add, let's say 2 little pieces of our pear. Again, we want just a touch of sweetness in here. That crunch is gonna be really, really nice too. And then some of those hot peppers. Now, if you wanna go into like fun chefy town.
Which you do.
I do, but this is like a hack. Like we don't have to do it. We bought this pre-made. I got some of this Japanese barbecue sauce. It's fantastic. Again, hot and spicy, that's my jam. Get the regular if you like. And then I saw this Hellman's has a creamy sriracha sauce. It's like a sriracha mayo. So good.
It's really pretty.
So it's really pretty. It's really gorgeous. At the end, you can hit it with a bit more sesame seed just to make it look like something stunning and super fun. And that's it. That's it. I gotta take a bite. That's it, CJ.
That's
take a
Taco
bite.
Tuesday for you, right?
Yeah,
there.
easy. It's like a little thing of beauty. See some of that like leftover teriyaki in the
Oh, yeah,
QCSC?
the little juices, bro.
This might not be beard friendly. Probably not.
It'll be all right.
Oh dang!
Good.
Come on.
Is that Taco Tuesday?
It's weird. It's very strange.
It's
It's like a taco, but it's not a taco. Wayne's Basement.
Yep.
Wrong.
Wrong show.
Show.
It would be my show.
That's so good. The textures are where it's at. The pork is still really delicious because we cooked it so fast. Well, there's the heat. Heat's coming. I haven't even gotten to the pepper yet. It looked like a hot pepper. I'm gonna just go for the pepper just to see.
Oh, geez, dude. Bold move, Cotton. Bold move.
Say strong to quite strong.
More tingling than hot.
Skip it if you want it. Dang. I'm into it.
Classic
I'm into. You want to try it? Come try it.
All right.
I'm into it. There's a lot of stuff going on. Now our slaw had a decent amount of sweetness, right? The onions bring a layer of sweetness. Savory, sweet, all the good things, all the things.
All those things.
I want to hear what you think.
All right.
I should have done fish tacos. Made you eat it. I should have. This actually is fish. Just kidding. And the pear. Pear's where it's at. Like
honestly, I haven't even got to the peppers yet, and that's a good amount of heat.
Yeah.
With the spicy sriracha and that spicy barbecue.
You're not gonna like the pepper.
Like
it's real hot.
Break the wrist, walk away.
Yeah, pretty much.
Speaking of which, yeah.
Pretty much. There you go. So sometimes you don't have to go into like every single thing homemade. You can take some shortcuts. You can treat like in the beginning we talked about, just because you buy a pork chop doesn't mean you have to cook it exactly the way it came. We can take it a step further and do something fun, do it something simple. Again, it's National Griddle Week, so don't forget to go to all the Blackstone channels, check out all the fun giveaways and all the fun stuff that we're doing. Check out blackstoneproducts.com. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, do that and click the little bell icon so you get a notification every time we post a video. Thank you guys for hanging out. If you guys want to see more like simple, quick, weeknight, like something I can throw together, this was really quick. Really, really quick. If you want to see more of those recipes, let me know down in the comments below. Check out all of the other shows on the channel, and that's all I got. Got anything? Cool. See you guys.